Hey everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. So a big question that a lot of people have right now at these levels, should you buy Shiba Inu at these prices? And the more time that passes by, the more data that we're getting. And it does seem to be that we are forming some support down here at this 6.2 level, the 6.2, 6.1 range. You can see that's exactly where we're trading right now. Now, what I want to see here over the next few hours is a bounce off this price. I want to see us bounce back up into the mid sixes, maybe even into the sevens. And then we are really starting to form a solid support line down here at the low sixes. So this is going to be a big next few hours for me here in the morning to watch the price action. And if we take a look at, the 1 hour candlesticks, this is the 4 hour. Okay. So let's go in a little bit tighter and then we're going to zoom out. Okay. Now the 1 hour, again, we'll zoom all the way out. Same thing. We could see here we had support one time back on the 28th. Two times. This is all on the 28th, by the way, and three times. There's another time on the 29th. Okay, and then here is the 30th, and then here we are right here at the 31st, and look at that. We're bouncing off of it. We're actually forming a green candlestick, which I expect that we would see. That's perfect. Okay, if we see a similar pattern that we saw right back in here 2 days ago, where we bounced off two big green candlestick, a lot of buying pressure, and then flattened back out, this is really indicating that we are forming some nice support down here at this 6.2 level. Now, from a technical perspective, all indications are that it's still a buy, not a strong buy, but a 1 day says buy. Okay, let's take a look at the 4 hour. That's neutral. 2 hour. Okay, in the 2 hour, we've got a sell indicator, as well as in the 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5 and 1. So if you really tighten it up, you can see that there is a sell indicator here in the short term if you're day trading it. But if we bounce back off this nicely in terms of the long-term outlook, I think this is exactly what we want to see, because this would give us 4 data points then at this 6.1, 6.2 level to show us that we're forming some support there. Okay. And that is what we're seeing right now on the charts. That is good. That is a good sign. In terms of should you buy right now? Okay. Never financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence, right? You understand that. This is just my opinion. My opinion is, yes, this is a good opportunity to buy. And I'll tell you why. I got in yesterday at the 6.7 level thinking, even if it dipped a little bit below, I knew we had these couple levels of support. At least it's early, I know. At least we've seen it 3 times, and now we're seeing it a 4th time. So honestly, I might turn around and actually add on a little bit to my position, lower that average cost down. This is my 3rd different position in SHIB, by the way. Okay, my other 2 positions are well off into the green, and I'm just going to leave those be. Right? Obviously, I didn't want to mess that up, so I opened up a 3rd different position. Okay, now, at these levels, I don't think we're going to go much lower. Okay, but we need more data. Okay, but as we're seeing it right here, we have not been back into the 5s. Just briefly here on some price dumps, very briefly, and we bounced right back off. Okay, so we're going to watch that very closely. We would have to see the market really take a big dip, I think, in order for us to break this trend and get lower than about the 5.9, 5.8 range. I would think it would take a major pullback in the market. We are seeing a little bit of a pullback here. We could take a look at CoinMarketCap. We're down about 1.48%. Global market is still worth 2.58 trillion. But yeah, I don't think it's going to be anything too major right now. It looks like to be pretty flat in the markets, and I think with that, SHIB will kind of bounce back off these levels. Right now, Dogecoin has eclipsed SHIB. They're very, very tight in terms of the market cap. They're both at 34 billion right now, still both in the top 10, which is really cool when you think about it. So, okay, that's where I'm at right now. I do think it's a pretty good buying opportunity here at the 6.2. I don't think we're going to go much lower than this. And if you're looking to open up to a position, or you maybe bought a little bit too high, maybe you bought into the 7s, you bought into the 8s, I could see this being a good opportunity for you to lower your average cost if you have the funds to do so, and you see that as a good investment moving forward. So hopefully this helps you out. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, because I always try to give you value here each and every day, and that's the best way to give back. We've also got a bunch of affiliate links, as well as a Patreon page down below in the description. We have 2 levels over there, $10 and $20 packages. Come on over and check us out. Join our Discord. It's a great place to be. Almost 500 people now in there each and every day, hanging out, talking shop about crypto. All right, see y'all soon.